Chino Hoskamwan Champicho, the Edinburgh Tongue Ginalia, Nimani, Tarita Sani, Chizi Nishi, Nida Nishusumki, and Zeja Kuti, the Tradition Nanke, Tanta Starkey, Hearing Foundations, Chije, Tepsa, Jure, Tepsati, and Genzi, William Austin Chota, Ani Kongi, Kunda, Tina Austin, Namilia, Tari, Esha Ronuntikane, Genti Shui, Taride, Chino Hoskamwan Champicho, Dentishu Nangeta, Ani Chike. Hello, Ms. Tina and Mr. William. Actually, today you have organized His Holiness event here at the Marriott Hotel, and you have made your staffs possible to listen to His Holiness the Dalai Lama. So, what was the main message?
Well, our main message is the Dalai Lama's message, His Holiness's message. Our message is people helping people is a better idea than people killing people. We have to care about each other and respect life if we want a better future for our grandchildren and great-grandchildren. We decide the future of the world today through our actions. What we say and what we do matters. And so our message and His Holiness's message was not about religion, this religion versus that religion, or this political faction versus that one, left wing or right wing. Our message was simply about human caring and respect for life and finding our humanity by engaging in helping each other. And as we know our humanity, it becomes addictive. As that light is reflected, it infects others, and others want to do the same. They want to participate in good. Good is like a drug. You like more of it. So we are trying to start a consciousness shift in the world by simply direct acts of human kindness and caring. And so His Holiness has always talked about these issues, and it's important for our people to hear them from someone else other than me, because they live with me every day all the time and they stop listening. So when someone comes from far away and says this is a good idea, they pay more attention.
Krangi sunya ginning do so ti ani tari gaurum shitus changa den shuche ani kranzu ki lechi zolia kalab tus shuyeti ani tygyun ne krangi the lechi zolia ani memal shembal sem sangbu che ta mi mil pa chu pendo che da den kyangya sondu tari gaurum ji pe chen namgyu ta kuranda manda we ya shemba ji gi she ne ani kamyo songbati ani lechi zu ki semba ina ti jika semla gyu ta ya la pendo che yo re kungu yus chene Tindes Chesungudu Zawe Kunazu Jigita and Duamiri Penzu Jigilia, Robachi, and the same Sanguchi, Tindegi Kolia, Namguna Chalanangi, Jeduki Orum Jetari, Dendishu, de Chenga, Kundungi, and Itugi, Gungshi, Samudi, and Nijikoranzu, Lejizu, Sem, Lia Kutam Naya, Tenda Incident Sungudu. So, Ms. Austin, like your organization and your foundation, you give the gift of hearing to people all over the world, not only in the United States who are impaired of, listening, and it's a great mission. So, how do you relate His Holiness' message with your mission?
Well, I think Bill has lived 50 years with a profession that hearing is the road to the heart. When you hear, you can feel. So it connects people to life. And so I think that was the connection with His Holiness and the work that Starkey does around the world. And it's been, Bill's been an example of that in business for 50 years. And now, we travel the world with people that cannot pay for them. So we care about everyone. And we believe, that love or caring is love in action. And so you have to have an action to be able to show that love. And we just believe that the gift for better hearing is our love to give to the world.
Tinagi Sunyalia, Kunanzig, Sopa Tepsakanti, Tatoma Zunandune, Cheni, Miguti, Ani Zamni Nangi, Mi Mambuchita, Amjo Magobe, Kange, you do any Tindeya, Chika, Susu Benjo Tone, Ne Amjo Koyagi, Chikamenju shed, and the Tapshime de Zulia, Tuje Naya, Kunzu Kotu was Soyagi, and the Chalena, Jeta, long up to Tamba, do use Chensungu to Chesa, Gaurumbachik, Kamanaya, Chike Kanaya, Ti, Milia, Chik Pensim Chiaki, Kalapinga, and the Kunanzu Sobe. Zamni nangi mi mangbuchilia pendo naya ki chale dendesh nangdu nezu tandata dusi shimju cheje hakoyel chena kuna zugi loji gi nanglia zambulingi mi bumjig ya ni amjo nalia juye gi ta khashore menju ta ni tuje dinde naya ta loju nala ani misaya jigla nantu ye gi dinde gi mi yuji ge simnangdu. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Tanda kondo jandi shusati ani Starkey Hearing Foundation's tepse genzin ta jenda kuna ni William Austin ta ani kuna ngi kunda Tina Austin kuna ni re cheza Asia Ravaluntin kangi sargoba rinde tuma ta papa pasan tendela ni ki chino konskiam go chimbucho ki shungne dronga ta thari Starkey tepse ani leji zolia kalap nangse tanda ta dronga ki na ne sangyu thi singe nam zol ya nyen to shugu to chena